Hey everyone, welcome back to Epicenter Garage. Today we're going to give the SVO a little bit of love. And of course, you know this guy behind me, Euroasian Bob. Bob has promised that we could save the headliner in this SVO. Now I bought brand new headliner to put in, but Bob said, no, Brian, you've got to save the original to keep this car all original. Is that true?
There's got to be a disclaimer in here somewhere.
Well, no. We're going to see how.
We're going to attempt to save the original headliner.
Bob talks a big game. We're going to find out exactly if he can back that up. So today, and the dash. So you guys might have remembered if you watched the previous episode on the SVO that the dash, it was kind of lackluster. It started flaking off. I tried something on the dash, a little test patch area, and it made it look like brand new. So I think we're going to be able to save the dash. And Bob opened his big mouth on the headliner, and we're going to see if Bob can fix the headliner. So we're going to unscrew the headliner, unscrew it.
Remove.
I've never done a headliner before. Bob has done many, as he says, right? Okay, there you go. You got the nod. Done many headliners. So we're going to pull the headliner out. We're going to grab the table over here, get some tools, get this headliner out. And see what kind of game Bob has here.
It's worth a shot.
We're going to give it a go to see if we can glue. I'm not sure what side or what we'll do here, but
well, you'll use the foam side is your touch side.
This side, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This will go to the panel, the card.
It will. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
that'll go to the card,
gotcha.
and this is your this is your
we'll
soft
glue
touch.
to this right here.
Yeah, well, yeah, the headliner will go to that. So we'll glue this to the card first, and then the material to this secondly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. I've never even pulled a headliner out of a car before.
Really? Do you know how many cars I've taken apart? I owned a salvage yard for 30 years.
Look at you, man. Hey, yeah. Shoot, man.
It's all about using appropriate amount of force for what you think you're dealing with, right? Yeah. So there's probably a metal push tab.
There's no screws in this.
There's no screws, so there's going to be a metal clip.
Yep.
Okay, you hear it pop? So just pull. Yeah. You see the clips though? See,
man,
like,
that is a little unnerving.
It is. Well, luckily they're metal and not plastic. I mean,
well, that's true.
Sometimes when you're taking this stuff apart and things break and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it just because it's the age of the vehicle.
Yeah.
So kind of the same thing. And like I said, it's unnerving. There you go.
Oh,
right?
Holy crap.
I know. Okay, so on these pillar pieces,
yeah,
we're gonna probably try to leave these where they are.
Okay.
We can work around it.
Yep, I think so. And now we're on to the back, is that correct?
Yeah, and this is where it's gonna be tricky. We need to, do you have a light?
What was that green car that you had?
Well, Thunderbird.
Thunderbird,
I reattached it on that 75 Thunderbird.
That's right.
On the S10 Blazer,
yeah.
Right? And it had 30,000 miles on it. So I reinstalled that original headliner too.
I tell you, it's funny how just a simple thing like this is going to make this car so much more enjoyable to drive. I've been driving this thing around and headliner blowing all over the joint.
See the tab right there?
Yep.
Now, if I would have continued to use excessive force, I'd have broke that tab right
And then
off.
I would have screamed and yelled at you and kicked you out.
I would have just got some tar and threw it back on there. You would never know.
Oh, man, look at that. Whew. That's what I've been breathing in, getting into my eyes. That is some nasty, nasty stuff. It's so fine. Yeah, so those headliners, you just break down. I mean, look at that. The whole back side right here is just nasty. I'm wondering if we're going to have to take the vacuum to this right here. I can shut this light off, or I can show you here. See right here, we might have to actually scrape or take the vacuum and try to suck all that stuff off of there. But
where'd you put your screws for this?
they're in the back.
Okay.
So, how far down does a card?
Well, but we got to lean this in to be able to get the card in.
Oh, I got you.
You see what I'm saying? We got to come in a bunch to be able to get because the card goes behind that.
Gotcha. Okay.
Basically, it's like we're removing this whole panel.
You got to be kidding me.
Nope.
In all your years of taking cars apart in the salvage business, have you found anything? What have you found in cars? Some good stuff? I know some not good stuff. Are you serious?
Oh, are you kidding me?
Adult stuff.
Yeah, guns.
You found guns in cars?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, man.
Adult toys, drug remnant. I mean, just think about what people carry on their cars. And,
Yep. Oh my
and they crash it or something and they don't retrieve it. But try not to let the face of it get on the phone.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Because it's so sticky.
Yeah. Going your way?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. It's tinier than I thought.
All right.
Brush it off? Are you sure? All right, I'm watching. Oh, look at that. That's like magic. Nice. It looks.
This is so old and dry. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It literally just blushed.
It sure does.
Look at that. See, look, there's nothing left on that. See?
That's satisfying, isn't it?
Yeah, right?
It really is.
Isn't that soothing?
That is very soothing. It's pretty sad, but it's soothing.
Here, oh, this is the AMSR segment.
Okay.
You thought there's no way this is coming off.
No.
See, so
not this easily.
How are we going to reuse this when you got all this crap on it, right?
I thought it was going to be a combination of glue still and like. But that looks amazing.
It was glue, and now it's crystallized.
Okay. Yeah, all I need to do is hand you tools,
Well,
brushes.
that's usually how I feel around here. Usually I bring my car to work on it, and you're the one working on it.
Well.
See, look at your material now. See?
Oh, look at that, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty sheer. It's kind of.
Yeah. There you go. So you really have to be careful about this because, this is basically cardboard.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
And so it's really easy to break.
Go my way.
Just go do slow. Go slow, buddy. No, yeah.
Oh, man, that stuff gets in your eyes.
Oh, it's terrible. Look at the underside.
Holy crap.
Look at the underside of that.
That is
Nasty.
really nasty.
I want to see how tight we are. Stretching.
Yeah, because it doesn't have to go right to the edge on this because the way that.
Well, but you got to line up all these holes.
No, yeah.
See, it's tricky. It's freaking tricky. Spray here, work that, tack it, come back, spray, work it. See, that way we can move it because that stuff's contact, right? As soon as it touches, it's stuck. It's all about lining up the original holes. And they line up because they're original.
But don't we want to glue that foam down
Yeah, no,
first,
we are.
and then we'll come back through where those holes are and turn it over and poke through to make sure.
Right. Okay. Right, but I'm just kind of, we're just getting a bird's eye, like how much is our material shrunk?
Right.
Yeah, I want to look at this and see, and just kind of like, it's giving us a preview of what we're going to be looking at in the final deal.
But I bought to replace this, but you said.
Okay,
No.
and
Right,
and let me show you
feel
why.
how nice this is?
Okay, this is your material.
This is my material.
Open it up.
It's me. Okay, you got me. You're right. I forgot about those.
And your plastic trim. Here, I can keep going all day.
I know you can.
I can go all day long.
I know you can make me feel really bad.
I can go all day long. You wanted that two-tone headliner? Is that what you're going for?
Maybe. I thought
let's put this down.
matched a little bit better than this.
It never does. And once you discard this,
Yeah.
you're done. You're done because you can't get this material. Right. And this is what you get in replacement.
You sold me.
It's not
you
the
sold
same.
me.
This was what you thought was matching. But you see when you get it out, right? Sorry.
Whenever I would pick them up in this car, if those didn't quite match, you would never let me live that down.
I could never ride in the car.
No, you couldn't. You'd be chastising me the whole time.
See how that lays?
Yeah.
It's really wild.
See?
Let that
And that is sticky stuff.
It is. It's super
Holy
sticky.
cow.
It is super sticky.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
It's just simply showing how we do something.
You need to come up higher. Wow, I'm amazed this actually worked.
Oh, you think I want to put that middle light back in, right? Or the overhead light back in? All right, here we
We
go.
almost look like professionals.
Not with this shirt on.
This is heavy.
Right.
Okay, we sprayed both sides.
Right.
Right? Because we want maximum adhesion
Right.
from this to the cardboard.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
But the material is super light.
Yes.
Okay? So it's, because this could potentially, has heavier weight, could sag or whatever. But the material is, number one, it's super sheer and it's super light. So we're only going to spray the board. So let's lay it down and let's get a look at it.
Okay.
So we're going to glue, pull it, rotate it, and we're just going to basically work out from the center all the way to the edges.
Yep.
I just come down over the hole. Okay. Okay. And you can pull it up. See?
Yeah.
See what I'm doing?
Right. Yep.
And I'm going to just go a little bit at a time. So it's all about patience.
Just gonna let it fall on it, right?
Yeah. But I think that's okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's good. Wait, stuff does stretch pretty good.
We're not done
It's
yet.
getting a little scary. No, it's
We're going to do it. We're just going to do it.
all right.
Just keep it up there. Don't put it down yet. Because I want to work on this right here. I do not do bunches.
Once the glue goes down, things get serious.
Yeah. Next time we do that, we got to let that relax. We glued it down and we pushed it in flat. It needed to be pushed in as a ball.
Yep.
So
Let's redo it. Take it all off.
Peel it off.
Peel
Start
it off.
over.
It's looking good.
Look at it. Would you look at it? Just look at it.
I'm looking at
Look
it.
at it.
And it's amazing.
See, because we got to do.
Just don't
Actually,
wanna,
we
don't want to scrape it.
Right.
I kind of like it with that headliner in there. Kind of race car like. Yeah. Hold on, come
Now
on.
we got to figure out how to get it behind my.
Oh, look how nice that
I
is.
know. We got to rotate.
Gotta go forward here.
Well, I'm
Ready?
trying to look and see. Because hold on, there's some cords here. I'm trying to see what's.
Duck.
I got something going on here. Hold on, Brian. Hold on. I got something weird here. Well, I've got to line up my handle.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? This is a critical part right here.
Okay.
So I have to
Well,
line
you do
up.
that, and I will work on this.
Yeah, because see this guy right here. Once we get our visors in, that's pretty much going to set the position of our card.
Right. You know you gotta flash your own off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. This would be a 30-minute job. Live.
You have to have patience with this stuff.
Yeah.
If not, then it will eat you. One of the critical things when you're putting plastic back together, so many people do this. You're screwing your plastic back in, they over torque.
Yes.
And they crack it and they break it through. So when you're, man, it's just less is more on these old cars. Just snug. Don't tighten it.
That plastic just gets brittle and cracks and So the headliner is in. Bob, you're not half bad.
Success.
You're not half bad. I tell you, you can come down and put a headliner in for me anytime.
That's okay.
Anyway, the headliner is in, and it turned out, nothing against you, but it turned out so much better than I thought it would be. I knew you would do a fantastic job because he actually knows what he's doing on this type of stuff. When it comes to interiors, mechanically, I can do a lot of different things, still probably not as good as you. But when interior, man, you got me, you're way above my skill level. But the interior is in, and it looks fantastic. We got everything buttoned up. Now, you guys might have remembered that last time when I was talking to you guys about the car, the dash, it's kind of like, oh, man, it's kind of looked real. I found out that it's just dry. Basically, I have a good friend that knows about these dashes. I'm like, yeah, but he's like, Brian, all you got to do is put a little conditioner on it. It's just dry. The dash isn't ruined. I thought this stuff was flaking off, all this, but no. So you guys, I wanted to save it so you guys could actually witness this. This dash is going from ugly to amazing. So come around and I'll show you what we're going to do.
So what is the product?
I don't really know.
What's the bottle say?
It says back to black.
Yeah, okay. I've
So anyway, so watch. Check. You can see here, it's really splotchy. right here. And you know, it feels like it's kind of wanting to flake up, but you can see if I take my fingernail.
Don't do that.
And well, I just did it. So I've been told now that they just simply get really dry. And if you put this stuff back on it, so I'm just gonna keep on applying this. You can see the difference that it's making. Real quick, 930 turbo update. Bob knows all about this because it was pretty much his fault. We were getting ready to, got the engine, everything squared away, getting ready to put it back up in there, and Bob looked up into the engine and was like,
Stop.
what are you doing? You're killing me, man. You can't put this engine, now it looks all clean because we literally scrubbed the transmission and the engine, and he wouldn't let me do it because the bottom of the car was dirty. So we spent last Sunday, a couple hours scrubbing the bottom of it, making it look like a brand new car. We still have a little bit more left to do, and so that might be in a future episode here because we got to do the front of the car now because now that we've done the back, we got to do the front, right? And so it is. Anyway, so that's a quick update on the 930. So once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, I guess, please hit like and or subscribe. We really appreciate it.
We're having fun.
We're having fun. Doesn't really matter anyway, right? So anyway, you guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys again next time.